Ever wonder why your e-commerce store isn't converting as it should? What if I told you that you can double your revenue without doubling your traffic, customers, or ad spend? Stick around, I'm about to reveal a game-changing strategy. I've discovered a smarter way to boost your e-commerce revenue by tweaking just 3 key areas by 33% each. This method isn't about costly A/B tests or throwing more money at ads. It's a proven approach that's helped over 70 e-commerce brands drive more than 100 million in revenue. If you're not leveraging these insights, you're leaving serious money on the table. So save this video now, because the strategies I'm about to share could be the key to unlocking the growth your store desperately needs. Let's break it down. Most e-commerce store owners think you have to double everything: traffic, conversion rate, ad spend, to double your revenue. But here's the secret: you can actually achieve 2 times the revenue by improving 3 critical areas by just 33% each. The magic formula is 1.33 times 1.33 times 1.33 is more than doubling your revenue. These 3 areas are traffic, conversion rate, and average order value. Today I'm going to show you actionable steps for each one. Step 1. Boosting traffic by 33%. More traffic means more potential buyers, but you don't have to spend a fortune to get it. Here's how to increase your traffic by 33%. SEO optimization. Optimize your product description and blog content to target additional keywords. Fine-tune your technical SEO to improve site performance. Paid ads. Scale your ad spend while ensuring your return on ad spend, or ROAS, remains strong. If you're making $3 for every $1 spent, a 33% increase in ad spend can bring a proportional increase in traffic, if done smartly. Content marketing. Develop high-value content on YouTube, blogs, and social media that attracts organic traffic. Quality content builds a lasting audience that compounds over time. Partnership and influencers. Collaborate with influencers who speak to your niche and can bring their audience to your store. Imagine the impact when these tactics work together. Which tactic do you think could bring the biggest traffic boost to your store? Let me know in the comments. Step 2. Increasing conversion rate by 43%. Step 2. Conversion rate. More visitors are great, but if they're not converting into customers, your investment is wasted. Here's how to boost your conversion by 33%. Enhance UX and conversion rate optimization. Simplify site navigation to help users find what they need effortlessly. Improve page load times and streamline your checkout process. Stronger social proof. Incorporate customer testimonials, user-generated content, and reviews to build trust instantly. A/B testing. Continuously test different headlines, call to action buttons, and product images. Use data to optimize what resonates best with your audience. Frictionless checkout. Reduce cart abandonment by multiplying payment options and express checkout solutions. A jump from 2% to 2.66% conversion rate might seem modest, but when combined with the other improvements, it creates a powerful compound effect. Step 3. Increasing average order value by 33%. Now let's maximize every sale. Increasing average order value by 33% means getting more value out of each transaction. Here's how. Upsells and cross-sells. Recommend premium versions of complementary products on your product pages and during checkout. Volume discounts. Offer tiered pricing that rewards customers for buying in bulk. Subscription offers. Turn one-time buyers into recurring revenue subscribers with attractive subscription options. Free shipping thresholds. Set a minimum spend for free shipping, encouraging customers to add more items to their cart. Even small pricing tweaks and strategic offers can significantly increase the average spend per customer. What's one tactic you've seen work in your own experience? Share the thoughts below in the comments. Bonus. Purchase frequency. Acquiring new customers is great, but turning first-timers into repeat buyers is where the magic really happens. Here's how to get customers coming back 33% more often. Email and SMS marketing. Set up automated abandonment cart reminders, post-purchase follow-ups, and personalized offers. Loyalty programs. Reward customers for repeat purchases with points, discounts, and exclusive deals. New product drops. Keep your inventory fresh with regular new product launches or limited time offers to maintain engagement. Retargeting ads. Use data-driven retargeting campaigns to remind past customers about products they loved. A 33% increase in purchase frequency means a lasting revenue boost over time. If you don't have a loyalty program yet, you might be missing out on a key opportunity to drive repeat business. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 4 areas do you believe has the most untapped potential in your store? Drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. I'll personally reply with tailored suggestions to help you grow. And if you found these strategies helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more actionable e-commerce growth tactics. To sum it up, you can double your e-commerce revenue by improving your traffic, conversion rate, average order value, and purchase frequency by just 33% each. It's simple math with powerful results. Follow me for more educational insights and actionable tips to help your store thrive. Remember, it's not about doubling everything. It's about smart, strategic tweaks that compound over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.